Hello everybody, today we're talking about how to fix or how to solve Tinder. You don't have access to know how to fix or how to solve Tinder. You don't have access, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list you will enter to Tinder app and you click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on. Then we'll wait a moment and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.